Hey guys, all right. Welcome to my show, guys. Welcome. Thank you, and thank you very much for watching my show. All right. Today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. All right, and it's gonna be. Look what I have here. Wow, look how beautiful and colorful my table looks like. All right, looks good. Today I'm gonna make lobster stuffing with crab meat and shrimp. All right, guys, it's gonna taste good. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Hey, guys, you want to cook with me? All right, let's go. Hey, guys, I'm gonna tell you everything what I have here to make this delicious recipe. All right, I have here for the shrimp and the lobster. I have 1 teaspoon of Cajun season. I have 1 teaspoon of parsley, dry parsley. I have a half lemon juice. I have 18 shrimps, large jumbo shrimps. All right, to bring the flavor together, guys. All right. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. I have 1 tablespoon of Old Bay. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Also, I have a half stick of butter. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use. All right. So also, I have 6 beautiful lobster tails. All right. I already caught 5, and I left 1 to show you exactly how to do it. All right. All right. So next step. This is gonna be now the season for the crab meat. Right, for the crab meat, I have 1 pound of crab meat. I have 10 sliced bacon. I have a half cup of parsley, fresh parsley. I have also 1 teaspoon of Old Bay to bring the flavor together, guys. All right. Also, I have a half cup of cheddar cheese. Very good. Also, I have 1 package of Sazon, 1 package of chicken bouillon. Also, I have a half cup of mayonnaise. I have 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, just don't add it, all right? Also, I have 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys don't like hot sauce, just don't use, all right? And also, I have 1 teaspoon of Cajun season, all right? Are you ready? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, my first step, I'm gonna go with my bacon, right? My fry pan is preheat, right? So let's cook these babies, right? It's looking good. This bacon looks very good. There's a lot of meat there, right? Very good. Let's cook this bacon, guys. I'll be right back, right? All right, guys, welcome back. All right. My bacon is cooking. All right, very good. So now let's go for the next step. All right, my next step, let's season the shrimp and the lobster. The lobster. Okay. This is my butter. Very good. Very good. All right. So now, this is my Cajun season. Very good. This is my parsley. So you mix it up with the butter. This is my lemon juice. Very good. This is my paprika. All right. This is my Old Bay. This is my salt. my black pepper. All right, my garlic powder. All right, very good. All right, guys, what you guys gonna do is you're gonna mix it up. Very good. All right, make sure it's well mixed. All right, but before I do that, all right, I left one lobster so I can show you exactly how to cut. All right, so you go cut in the top. All right, and see, all right, very good. Very good. You cut until the tail there, until you hit the tail. After that, you just open, right? Both sides, they come up right away, right? Sometimes you need a knife to get the meat out. Right? You can slice a little bit in the middle, right? And open, all right? Very good. So now let's start the preparation, all right? So that's the season. Season looks very good, very glossy. You see that? Perfect, perfect. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna brush the lobster, right? Very good. See, it doesn't take time to do this recipe, and it's gonna taste delicious. All right, the rest of them, hold on, put a little bit more here. All right, it's well done, looks good. Okay, the rest you just pour to the shrimp. Very good. All right, so now what you do is you just mix it up. Spoon, mix it up very well. Okay, make sure if the ingredient cover the whole thing, all the shrimp. All right, so it's well mixed now. All right, so I'm going to reserve that. All right, so now my oven, it's preheat, right? 300 degrees. You're gonna put this only for like 5 to 8 minutes, just to get to cook just a little bit, not much. All right. All right. All right, guys, I will be back in 8 minutes. See you very shortly. All right, guys, welcome back. All right. Now I'm gonna show you the preparation for my crab meat. All right, but before I say that, before I go forward, I wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. All right, guys, happy Valentine's Day. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, let's start this preparation. All right, for my crab meat. All right, first I'm gonna put my Sazon. Very good. My chicken boiling. Very good. This is my porcelain. That's where the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right. So my Old Bay. Very good. This is my cheddar cheese. All right, that looks great. Very good. All right, this is my mayonnaise. Very good. Oops. Mayonnaise. This is my sour cream. Very good. This is my onion powder. This is my black pepper. This is my eggs. I have 2 eggs yolk. All right. Very good. My Worcestershire. All right, that's where the colors comes together, guys. I have here 1 teaspoon of salt. I have here 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Also, I have here hot sauce. You guys can use any hot sauce you want. I'm using my favorite. All right, very good. And this is my Cajun season. Very good. All right, guys, very good. Then put this in the garbage and let's mix this very well. All right. Very good. And make sure this mixes very well. All right. All right, my lobster is cooking. All right, has been like for 5 minutes. All right, I need just 3 more minutes. All right, and we're going to finish. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Now my bacon is ready. Right, it's looking good. All right, so now you're gonna cut in pieces. All right. Good. Make sure it's tiny pieces. All right. What you're gonna do is mix together. All right. Very good. Now make sure if you mix very well. All right. Very good. All right. This is gonna taste delicious. Just take your time. All right, and it's gonna taste good. See you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, my lobster tails has been in the oven for 8 minutes. All right, looks good. Looks very good, guys. All right, so let's take these babies. All right. Very good. All right, let's start the preparation. All right, the stuffing. All right, so this has to be up a little bit more. Very good. All right, so now what to do is you get a good portion. All right, and the stuffing. Very good. Yes, don't be afraid to put a lot of stuffing, okay? Don't worry about it. All right, guys. It's almost finished, the stuffing. All right. It's looking good. So it's some leftover, all right? But this you don't put in the garbage. Tomorrow, I'm gonna cook this and I'm gonna eat again, all right? So now with the shrimp, you just put the shrimp over here. One here. There and one there. Very good. All right, guys, this is getting ready. Hold on a second, it's falling off here, but it's have to be fixed up. Very good. All right, one goes here, here. That's it. All right. All right, guys. I always say, if you want a good food, all right, you need a very good recipe, all right? So, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Hey, guys, want to cook with me? All right, let's go. Now let's put these babies to cook, all right? Very good. Let me just fix a little bit there. This is the other one. Very good, guys. All right. Let's cook these babies, all right? And I'll be right back. Hey, guys, I almost forgot. All right, time to check. All right? All right, that looks great. Look very good. All right, guys, this has been for 20 minutes. All right, 375. All right, so I'm gonna let these babies cook for like 10 to 15 more minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, woo! All right guys, I'm gonna show you final product. All right, here you go guys. All right, this is a very good recipe and very easy to make. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, I'm gonna let you know how this tastes. All right, so wow, this looks beautiful. Love it. Looks fantastic. All right, so I'm gonna put this one over here. All right, I make some potatoes with salad cream. All right, I'm gonna make some asparagus. Very good. All right, guys. See, I'm gonna put some decoration here so you guys know exactly how to do it. All right, with parsley. Right, very good, and some black pepper, fresh black pepper. All right, it's looking good. Smells very good too. All right, let you know, guys. Wow, that looks good. Let me take the shrimp. This tastes unbelievable, guys. It's melting all over my mouth. All right, take another bite. Tastes delicious, guys. Very, very good. All right, so I'm gonna take now a piece of the lobster. Wow, very good. Nice and soft. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good recipe, all right? Little piece of my potato. And my asparagus. Sorry, guys. Hey, guys. You guys have to try this recipe, all right? I'm sure you're gonna be happy today and forever, all right? And happy Valentine, guys, all right? Love you all.